Hey guys, welcome back. This haul was a bit of a nightmare to start with. It's Sunday, I'm going away tomorrow to Ibiza. So I did this ASOS haul before the trip so I had things to wear for Ibiza. It just wasn't just like a willy-nilly haul just to kind of catch up on new trends. It was literally a haul that I really needed. And we were in all morning waiting for the guy to come. I knew the exact hour he was meant to be here. We were in the house. Anyway, long story short, he didn't ring the buzzer or something happened to the buzzer. God knows what's happened. Anyway, I didn't get my parcel. So after about 2 hours of speaking to ASOS, speaking to DPD and trying to get through, in the end I had to go to the depot. Got my parcel, thank goodness, because I wanted to film this haul. So without further ado, let's get into this haul because I've rambled. I'm going to quickly start with the Zara pieces just to quickly show you what I picked up yesterday. So these white trousers, these are £29.99. I really quite like the look of these. I was after some white trousers just to go with all types of things on this trip because just whites is great. But I really liked this side section, a side stripe right down each side of the leg with this running stitch in a white thread. They're kind of like a cigarette trouser vibe, but with this elasticated waistband. Now I've just tried these on. I liked them and I think with the right outfit they look really cool. And you know, I think these would actually be really comfortable for on a plane because of this elasticated waist. You'll look super like glam and sophisticated rocking up at the airport, but they don't know you're super comfy. But otherwise, I mean, they're not quite as smart as I was wanting, but I still really quite like them. So I'm gonna make my mind up about these. I'm gonna try them with a few different outfits and see how I go. But yeah, I do really like those. These white shorts I am a big fan of. These were just what I was kind of looking for. Paper bag waistline. This is completely elasticated. There are no buttons, there's no zips, nothing. It just straight up, straight down into a lovely sort of wide leg short. In a way, I kind of wish it wasn't so wide leg. I feel like from the side, the profile makes my legs look a lot bigger than they are. But what I might potentially do is get my sewing machine out and just sew about an inch off of each side of this short just to pull them in a little bit. But I think for my trip tomorrow, these will still be amazing. I really want to wear this with my little Dolce & Gabbana bralette that I've got for a very cute little nighttime outfit. There's going to be a lot of parties on this trip. But again, I mean, how much were these? These were £20. So not bad at all. This shirt I was kind of inspired by Alessandra Steinher that I went away with last week to Lumine. It's a Lumine trip in Finland. She was wearing a chambray shirt. Now hers is blue. This is a grey charcoal, but I just really like this very slouchy, chilled sort of shirt, and I think tucked into the right shorts, even if it's like black shorts or white shorts for example, it could look really cool, very off-duty, very chilled. I liked the low V-neck on this. Again, it was £29.99. It's just a really lovely material. It feels really lightweight. So again, for like journeying around from place to place, I thought it was a really lovely shirt. So quite like that too. And the last thing I picked up from Zara, this was £9.99, for some big hoops. Again, for all these nights out, I just thought a big chunky pair of hoops will look quite cool with my new hair. Do you know, hoop earrings aren't something I've worn for years really, but I've been getting into them recently. And these were just next to the till and I was like, oh, go on then. I think these will look quite cool on the trip. So again, some nice big chunky earrings. And that's it for Zara. I'm gonna get straight into some ASOS bits. This literally looks like it's fallen apart, this bag. God knows what's happened here. Why does it look like it's already been opened? Okay, I'm really confused. It looks like it's already been opened and then shut again. This is a good DPD. Maybe this is the reason why my parcel didn't come today, because something's wrong with the bag. Okay guys, this is a mystery, but hopefully everything is inside this bag, or else DPD are getting a very badly worded email. Okay, let's see, I can't even get into this, it's so ridiculous. This jumpsuit I thought was very me, looked quite lightweight, feels quite linen-like, but the colours are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I really hope this fits because I love it. It does feel like a very linen cotton style jumpsuit. How beautiful is this? And straight down into some wide legs. Lots of stripes going on here. I love the kind of, it's almost like a chevron style stripe down the back and to the front panels. It's got a belt around the waist. On first glances, I love the look of this. I just hope it fits me. But yeah, big fan of that. That is so pretty. Oh, I saw these in sale. A pair of Emporio Armani jeans that were in sale and they had my size. Or I think, well, they have a 25. I don't know if this is going to fit or not. But I love the look of these because they looked really cropped. A lovely cropped leg and a gorgeous blue. And then to the back is just a little Emporio symbol here. And I'm sure they weren't, I think they were down to about 75. I think they were about half price. So I thought I'd give them a try. Although on first glances, they look like they might be a tiny bit. Maybe I should have gone for a 24. I don't think there was a 24. Let's see though. I'm sure they are gorgeous. This is a little cute play suit. Play suits and jumpsuits you can't really go wrong with, can you, when you're away on holidays? So this one ties around the neck in a halter neck style. I'm pretty sure you know that this was the last one on the site that I actually got. Somehow it was still in a size 6. They never usually have size 6 left, so this was pretty good. It's got a tie around the waist, cute little shorts. The colours are so cool. I love blue with orange. It's the most complimentary of the colours. Yeah, again, first glance, I really love the look of this and the linen. That is great, and again, I'm sure that that was in sale, so I think that'll be gorgeous for Ibiza. So far, so good here, guys. Now, this one wasn't for Ibiza, but it's for when the weather does decide to get a little bit cooler. Again, I think this was in sale. I mean, you know how I feel about a knitted jumper, and I loved this. It's not like waffle knit, it just looks like bobble knitted, if that's the right term. It's got these wider sleeves, quite a cropped style body, nothing too long in the length, but just looks so cozy. And again, I think it was in sale, so quite a good find. Now this was in a set. There it is, there it is. This was in a set of 2. Now this, I can only get this in an 8, so I'm hoping that it still fits me with it being a bralette. So it's like a bralette that ties across the front in a little bow. Cute, it's like orangey red. That pairs with, again, these like a linen material, just a pair of wide leg culotte style trousers. They're a bit different for me, but I thought as a pair they could look really cute. I mean, you'll be able to see now, I'm showing you all the cutaways. You'll be able to kind of see from how I'm acting what I think of each of these things. I kind of give you like a yes or a no inclination, but on the outset I think that could look really cute. I'm just going to try something a bit different. This play suit is like Joseph's Technicolor Dreamcoat, which I think is rather fab actually. It's like a wrap dress, extremely colourful silky material, full length sleeves. It's got a slit in the back, so this is the back with a slit, and it goes down in a V-neck wrap. You'll be able to see me trying it on now. And it also, is it a skirt? Oh, it's a dress. It is a dress, so it's a wrap dress, so we'll have to see this on. It smells funny. It smells a little funny, like it's been in a bag for a long time. This cute blouse in yellow and white. And it's just it's almost like a shirt wrap. Oh my god. Yeah, it does. It ties in the middle, almost like you just pulled a shirt together. This kind of vibe, and it's got little sleeves as well. But I think it's like £12, and I thought it was adorable, just with a pair of shorts. Super easy, over bikini, easy peasy. Gosh, I really did order a lot. So I have to check I had enough stuff for my trip. This is beautiful. This is kind of for the trip and maybe mainly after the trip. This is actually stunning, like the stitching here. You can see that sort of shimmering away a little bit. That's really pretty. The kind of things that you'll just wear over a gorgeous little bra underneath. You'll see a bit of the bra because it is a little see-through, but just tucked into a pair of high-waisted jeans or some cool tailored trousers. Very kind of workwear meets cool girl boss, going for meetings style. The ruffled cuffs and around the neckline. Like, this is literally so me, this blouse. Big fan, love this. Oh, okay. Now this is one of the things that when I thought I wasn't going to get this through today, this is one of the things I was most upset that I wasn't going to get for the trip. So I hope it looks good. And it's another jumpsuit. It's a pretty raspberry, star printed. It's got a bit of a pleated vibe actually. I think it's just the way that, yeah, it is. It's just the stitching of the fabric. It looks pleated, but it's the way it's been knitted in these different colours. That's really cool. Very wide leg. Woo, wide leg. This could look gorgeous. Look at that neckline. That is so pretty. I love it. I love, love, love it. This is a great haul, guys. Really great haul. I am actually loving everything I've picked up here. Again, this little top. This little top was in sale. I don't know if I'm going to like this colour on me, I must admit, in this rust. But isn't that adorable? Keyhole back, tiny little buttons. Again, it could look great with shorts. Not sure about this colour. I'm sure they did another colour, actually. Of course, all links are down below. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay. Is that a 6? It is. Oh, no, this is a 4. Oh, that's why, because it's a wrap. Okay. That makes more sense. It's a wrap dress. You'll be able to see it on me. I love these paintbrush strokes. I thought it was quite unusual, a little different. It's also, it feels a bit like a scuba fabric. So we'll see how it looks on, but I just thought for Ibiza it's quite fun, it's quite cute, it's mini, means you can get your legs out, just have a bit of fun with it, you know. Like this is just going to be a trip where I can just enjoy myself. So I thought I want to get some cute, fun little pieces. And again, I think it was in sale. Another shirt that was made, that I kind of picked up more for after when I come back. But how pretty is this shirt? The print on here is gorgeous. It has this really lustrous gold threading running in stripes down the front. It has no, it's printed, it's not embroidered, it's printed with these little flowers. It's got a pussy bow to the top. And again, it's just something you could wear to the office and feel amazing in it. I think it was one of the most expensive things in the haul, but I thought it was quite me, and I thought I'd like to give it a go, so I like that. I thought this was really pretty, but I'm not sure now. Actually, no, it is quite cute. Just a very easy cap sleeve blouse. I'm not sure now though about this round neck. Maybe if I opened it up and wore it a little bit looser, it could look a bit more me. And I didn't realise it had this tie around the bottom. That could get a bit annoying. So we'll see. The cotton though is gorgeous. Really soft, beautiful cotton. It could look really cute on. It is really sweet. Okay, okay, I do like it. And the last thing, I might be a bit crazy here. I saw this and it was £12 and I thought it could potentially be quite nice and snug for on the plane journey. £12 though. It's just a beige sweater. Do you know, this would look kind of cool with those white pants. Potentially. But I just thought, no, I could throw it on the plane. It's actually really soft. Why is this £12? I don't get it. I really don't understand why this is £12. So it's extra small as well, like it's a super oversized sweat. But yeah, it does look really cozy and that does feel really soft. Oh my god, it's like fleecy inside. That is so soft. I mean, it might not be me at all, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this for £12, and if I like it, then I like it. And that's everything, guys, in the haul. Let me know what you liked down below. A lot of these things I've probably already worn by now. If I took them to Ibiza, if I really like them, you'll see them on my Instagram. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'm just @InTheFro. I'd love to have you over there as well. That's where I post all of my outfits usually before you even see them on YouTube. So hopefully if you want any like outfit inspo or just to see where I'm traveling around the world, then my Instagram is kind of the place that's really up to date. But as always, I really hope you enjoyed this haul, guys. They're my favourites to film. I just get super inspired. But if you are brand new here, please do follow. I would love it if you subscribe. Just hit the picture of my face and screen and subscribe for 2 videos a week. I'd love to have you. And to everyone else, thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed the haul and I'll see you soon. Bye.